smart buildings, first of all, is measure. Measure means bring the awareness. And that's a starting point to get people changing, because we have great systems. KNX is the right system and solution to propose, to connect buildings and to become smart, but it's not enough. All of us have to change. And so the first step is measure, display, show the waste, show the use of energy. Produce according to usage and not produce to produce. So this is demand response. Second is connectivity. You need to understand what's going on. So you need to connect the buildings, the homes. You need to access to it from remote. So there are a lot of, let's say, factors around a smart, which is really optimized as per the usage. Now, the future I would love, my dream is that KNX becomes, let's say, a word that the technology becomes a brand, and the brand like an object. I mean that everybody says, I want a KNX. How to go there is make that change from technical driven to customer driven communication. We used to do B2B, we do B2B business, but we need to talk to the end users in residential or commercial. And we need to speak about benefits, value propositions. What are the benefits? Who cares about the technical side of it? It's important, otherwise it doesn't work. But we have to change that wording and the way we communicate. What is the benefit? And last but not the least, the contribution to a more sustainable world. So about sustainability, first we need to measure, display, bring people awareness to trigger the change. Then from energy efficiency to energy management. We used to say the buildings need to be efficient. The people need to be efficient. Why? Because especially in the commercial building, comfort of people when they work is key to get the right productivity. And then finally, last but not least, the building is 50 years can live. So the maintenance, the operations needs to be efficient. So this is what we used to say. Now, energy management is optimization. According to the usage, you will provide services, you will provide an answer in terms of production which is really needed. 5 in 10 years is each and every new build has a system that it will contribute to decarbonize. We talk a lot when we speak about smart home, smart building, about technical stuff. We have to talk the word of those people who we want to be changing. So yes, numbers of trees, it can be the contribution to reduce the temperature of the planet. So scheduling, rescheduling, adjusting, and what I expect for the next, let's say, years is today I decide, because I think it's good to do, that the system tells me, based on my behavior, based on the behavior in the home, what we do, the usage, the habits, the systems either tells me, because I want to keep the control, or say, adjust to my behavior. Still work to do, because we talk a lot about energy awareness. I said that. It's key to get people understanding. The next step is optimization, and again is intelligence, artificial intelligence, insight, because that's for me the next step, where by having all data, we can have those systems again adjusting to make it the most optimized possible.